Hey guys, welcome to Shintvchanel, and I'm back with another video.
And it goes a little something like
Today guys, I will be doing my makeup haul for my fourth, I think this is my fourth video on my makeup haul for my makeup artist kit that I am building right now. I got one of the No Sweat Skin Prep. It's a prep makeup skin toner. So this is like a makeup prep skin toner. I got one of these because I heard it's really good. So far I like it. It doesn't make your makeup move when you sweat and stuff like that. So basically sweat proof. So I got one for myself. I already have one for my kit. So this is just for me. I went ahead. Ooh, big packages. I like these. I like this one. So I got this Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless Normal to Oily foundation in the color Cappuccino 340. So this is it. I think this could almost be my shade, like my. Then I went ahead and I bought this cleansing water to remove makeup and cleansing smooth. You don't need to rinse, no harsh rubbing, face, lips, eyes. It's all for that, and it's for even sensitive skin, they say. No alcohol, something like that. So this, I got it in the value size from the Walmart. I got it in 23.7 flow ounces. So I can throw out in bottles when I need to travel with my makeup and stuff, and have also in the studio. Then I went ahead and I bought this. It's a barrier spray for those no smudge makeup that you want. This I bought specifically like for brides and stuff like that, like, you know, for people who are doing events, going to certain events, long events, and they need to keep their makeup on for a long time. So I will be adding this to like one of my categories of makeup that I do, like no smudge makeup in categories. So, and especially for like especially for like wedding events, you know the bride has to stay popping the whole event, right? Ooh. Oh, I opened it up and it was indeed leaking a bit. I don't know, it's like the bottle pump or something. Oh, it was loose. Walmart, one thing I don't really love about Walmart, I'm sorry Walmart, but I have to tell the truth. Walmart packaging is wet or something, I don't know. But my products are always, some of my products, or most of them, always come leaking. Some of the stuff spill out, it's all messy. And I have proof, I have picture proof, and this is the proof because I just opened this. Look how they wrap it up in this, right? And look at that. It's drying already, but there's the liquid inside, literal liquid. And it's not from the spray top. Look, it's loose. Like if I wasn't careful, I would spill the whole thing out on spot. And you can see the liquid on the sides and stuff like that. Look at the liquid over there. All spillage. Like Walmart, you have to just be careful with Walmart because your things can come spilled, messy. That's the truth. I'm sorry, Walmart. I'm sorry, but gotta tell the truth, guys. Like it's a haul. The proof is in the pudding. And also my stuff always come like one and few stuff will come dented. Like this is not okay, Walmart. This is just not okay. But okay, I got it. Whatever. It's still intact. It's not spilling. That's the best part. The only thing I've never experienced any glass items being cracked. That would be like definitely not okay for me, and I pray and hope I don't experience that. I do have experienced Walmart sending my package to the wrong address, like they send it all the way to California, Atlanta, like, and on the shipping it's not that. So like, Walmart, come on now, you need to stop. Anyways, okay, so the next package is this one, and let me see if this is still. This is the RIM Stay Matte Setting Spray. They always wrapping it up in plastic. Like, plastic is not gonna protect the item anymore. Like, you need to take that shit off or something. Like, do something else. This is a 3.4 flow ounce. It is pretty big. I thought it was gonna be smaller, so I'm really excited about that. And this is a 2 ounce. So this is a, if you want to know like ounces, how they look in spray bottles different, this is a 2 ounce bottle, and this is a 3.4 ounce. So a 4 ounce, 5 ounce is very big, and I think this is like a 4 ounce. So yeah. And then this is a 1 ounce. All right. So this setting spray, I heard that this setting spray is really good. Yeah, I heard that it's very good. It has some instruction on the bag. It is a 2-in-1 primer and setting spray, so you can use it before the makeup and after the makeup to set the makeup, of course, which is amazing. Next box, I think this box is from a Juvia's place. Yes, so this box is from a Juvia's place. I bought some palettes because you know your girl be sitting online waiting for Juvia's place to have their sales on their foundation, eyeshadow palette, and stuff like that, because I love their products. And guys, I will be linking everything in the description below. Don't forget that. So if you want to check it out, you'll be able to check it out, because I love you guys so much and want to help you out if you need anything. So this was on sale, I think, for like, I'm gonna say $7, $6 or something. The size of the pigments are very much worth it, because it will be lasting a long time. It's not like you need much. It looks like it's pigmented. I will do a test run on it, but I do believe in Juvia's Place products, so I'm sure it's pigmented. The size of it will last you a long time. Come on, honey. Have it in the box. Okay. Let me open it up. You can see on it that I love how they like structure the packaging to match the palette colors that they will have inside. So, and as usual, they do their bubble wrap, which is very, very important to me. Packaging is everything too. And yeah, look at those colors. Baby, those colors are beautiful. And look at the size. It's even bigger than the last one. Look at the size of the pigments of the eyeshadow colors. It is big. So you know this is gonna last a long time. But then again, if you have clients who love this subtle, nice, earthy, queen, goddess type of look, like this is for brides and stuff like that, or for even out, just a simple subtle look. So this palette definitely will be used a lot based on the color, and I really love it. As usual, the packaging real nice. This is a bit smaller. This is like the mini palette, but let me open it. It's mini. It looks mini, right? But let me open it and show you. Mini wear. Look how big that palette is. Look how big those pigments are. Oh my gosh, look how pretty they are pigmented. They don't look chalky, and the point is, like, the size of it is really nice. You have 2 shimmering glitters in there, and the rest are mattes. And I just love the vibe that it's giving me. Like, I am excited to try these palettes, like really excited. Trust and believe that. So the next palette is this one right here, Sweet Pinks. And you know I love pinks, and I love to do pink eye shadow looks. This I'm so excited. Oh, listen, I'm excited for all of them, but I love pink so much, and these neon looking colors, period. So the first thing I have is the medium dark True Complexion contour palette. So this is what I have, the Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, and it's packaged well, just the same. Have that little on it, so no mess. I really love it. Yeah, it's pretty. It has the highlight and it has the sculpt and it has a contour powder. This is not the cream one. This is the powder, the powder, right? So this is the Maybelline in New York lip color palette, and I bought this one on Amazon. So I'll put the description for this. So this is what I bought on Amazon for like $6. It has beautiful colors in there, and I've never tried it before. And you know, you can mix your colors to get different color lip shades if you want to lower that. You know how to do your mixing, just the palette. And it came packaged like this. It is in dark, so it's a blush and gold palette. Let me open it up a little bit more so you can see it without this over it. So you can see that they have like two kind of like a little shimmer in two of them, and then two fully matte. So this is in the dark. Yeah. So they say it's a velvet soft texture, wrap skin in ultra flattering, whatever. Apply to dry or wet. So you can do it dry or wet basically. Ooh, and they really package this well. Like they even put paper on the glass to prevent it from breaking. They have this over it just the same. So this is how the highlights look, and I really love them. Like the first thing when I saw is the purple one and that beyond what vacation. So one is vacation, one is first class, and one is paradise. Like all of them got my eyes. Like the first one who got my eye was the first class, because I've never really seen a purple highlighter, and I really like purple highlighter looks. So I'm excited for this highlighter, guys. Okay, and then the last product we have is, I think I got this one. So this was from Walmart and this is from Amazon. This is a dark, this is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in dark. That's number 40, right? And I think I ordered medium. So I have dark and I ordered medium. So the medium is on the way. Medium to dark. I think medium to dark, and this is dark. Okay, so guys, we have come to the end of our little makeup haul, and I do hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my makeups today with me. I hope you found it helpful so you can decide on what you want to buy, like if you're building your kit or if you just want some makeup for yourself. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button, hit the like button, hit the notification button beside the subscription button so you know whenever I upload. And see you on the next one.